Ouch goes into the last Viking. Try and get pinned in. Oh, man, another reversal. Oh, my head. Oh, oh, oh. You have no business being here. Flee now and save yourself an eternal demise. Ouch. Ouch has fallen to the ground.
So many forms Demigra has.
But remember, you gotta stay strong. We gotta support our teammates. Yeah, dude. You do the same for us, man. Yeah, that's right, Shimo. Come on out, you can do it. You go, buddy. We believe in you.
Here's his horns.
That's right. I can do it. Take this, Viking. Ah, yeah, oh, ouch. Another reversal. You have no chance, Dexter. Give up. I will never give up. I've already given up when it hits the big time. What makes this so different? I'm stronger than the big time will never be. As the big time level villages, has he burned down entire families? No, I have. Well, that's because the big time would go to jail if you did that. And I could do that if I wanted to, punk. Do not make sense, Theo, you're next. Outstrike the last Viking when his back is turned. I never thought I'd see that one, Ouch. I'm not backing down like I did with the big time, because this time there's actually something on the line. I'm the Dexter's last hope. I'm not gonna let him
This is the second time that Demigra had a new form in the Ultra God mission. Well, Raftery put up another one that looks a lot like Mechakabura's transformation. Well, one thing about Demigra is that he has these weird gloves on. It's like bear-crushing fists.
I got it tired enough. I can't keep taking his hits like this. Viking, you want to hit me? Well, come get me. The last Viking is chasing Ouch all around the ring. Do you guys think this is a good idea? I mean, Ouch isn't the most coordinated runner. He keeps falling over and stuff. I might be waiting for that good one. Oh, ouch. And on. Oh, get up, hurry. The last Viking is a corner. Now to take out the trash. Was that good, boss? Yes. Our work with our one-liners has been very good. You mean you've been training with him to do one-liners and not fighting? Well, he's a great fighter already. He's the one that's destroying villages and lives. All that we need to work on is his tongue weight.
Here's his hair.
The last Viking scoops Ouch up and... Oh, man! Throws him to the ground! Oh, no! Not again! Ouch! He jumps on Ouch! He's pounding on him mercilessly! Up and down! Up and down! He's like a crossing kangaroo! Kangaroo? That's my territory, mate! This is not good. How can we save him? Does anyone have any ideas?
Here's his scarf.
Oh, man! Oh! Hey, what's going on here? Help! Uncertainty does not need help from the ref. Yeah, and there's no ref allowed with the Sinistros win. Take this, ref! Hey! The Scorpion unleashes the Tiger Stinger on the ref! With the ref sick, there's nothing that you guys can't get away with now. Exactly my point. Yeah. Oh, man.
Here's his hip fist.
I'm not giving up. Music to my ears. Round 2 ends with Ouch down on the ground. If he doesn't get his act together soon, it's over for the Mighty Dexterous. And that means Senator Skull will take over the TWF. Yes, Viking, keep doing what you're doing. Do not stop. The TWF is almost ours. That's right. I'm not going to let you down. You'd better not. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really trying.
He did when he first fought against Evil Ira. That was funny.
Hey, cool it, Ira. This guy's trying all he can, you know? You can do it, Ouch. We all believe in you. Yeah, Eve. You keep going for it. We totally buy into you being the next champion. As likely as it may be. Come on. Ouch! 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 I can't tell if you're cheering for me or you're all really hurt by something. Either way, I'll do it. I'll win for the Mighty Dexterous. Okay, Viking, let's go! Ouch unloads on the last fight with incredible speed, the likes of which I've never seen him use before. It's incredible. Go Ouch! Crush the hard-headed man. Oh, yeah. You think that's good enough to beat me? Your feeble strength is nothing. It may be nothing, but I'm gonna subdue you soon. Ha! Ha! I will be the champion. I will save the world. Senator Skull will lose the TWF. Well, he can't lose it if he never has it, but the Lost Viking has Ouch in a headlock, but Ouch slips out. Ouch comes back with a headlock of his own, but again, the Lost Viking breaks free, and bam, 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 a triple hitter. This is crashing for the ages. Flashgun, are you seeing this? Isn't it glorious? Oh, loving this. Unattacked except for the fact that there's a negative connotation of that being that Senator Skull's guy is ahead, but still, it's good crashing. Enough of this. I'm gonna send you back to where you came from. The dust. I didn't come from the dust. I came from a woman named Jane and a man. Oh, man. The Lost Viking signature move, the Viking Berserker Rage. A flurry of moves hits. And don't go. Ouch has been pinned. It's up. Wait, it's not over. Oh, are you getting up? Sheer willpower! Ouch breaks free from the pin! Impossible! Get down now! Room is prolonging the inevitable. How do you know words like inevitable? Senator Skull's hungry.
Here's his hand.
It's not the only thing we've been studying in our time. I have one last thing I can use to finally win this match. The spine crack backbreak surprise! You kidding me right, man? That thing never works. What makes you think it's gonna pull out a win now? I have to try. If I'm gonna go down anyways, I'll go down happy knowing that I tried everything possible to make sure that the world is safe. Otherwise, I'll just be left wondering what might have had. Here we go! The spine crack backbreak surprise! Oh yes! I love the surprise for me! As if you don't already know!
I really don't understand why there's Patar earrings on his armbands.
No! No! Impossible!
I don't believe it either! The spine crack backbreak surprise actually worked for once?
What is this? Afterlife?
You mean your back's broken? You can't get up? That means all I gotta do now is go for a hit. And I'll win. The world will be safe. And I'll be a champion. A real champion. No one ever thought I'd be a champion. See, everyone out there, this goes to show that no matter how much people make fun of you, and how many names people call you, you can still do it.
I think this is the part where they flash back to Ouch's battles against Billy Batboy, the Amoeba, everyone else.
I'm the champion. I win.
Ouch champion. He's earned that title.
I did it. I'm the champion.
Great job, Ouch! I knew you could do it!
Really?
Well, I wanted to believe you could do it, but I felt that.
This is so amazing. I'm finally gonna get the respect that I want. Oh, God.
Yes, it's your champion game! Well, it's cool to not be the champion anymore. So much pressure. Now you are enjoying But seriously, good job.
There he is. That's Demigra in Form 2 from Ultra God Mission. Ultra God Mission Form 2. That's all for now, guys. Good night.